So we start off by cleaning the soft chicken. Got a bowl in the sink, run the tap. I just love to have it properly cleaned before we start seasoning. Okay, now add in all-purpose seasoning into a bowl with a bit of vegetable oil. Added a cube of Maggi seasoning. There you go. Added some salt. Please bear in mind this is a small chicken, okay? So you might need a bit more seasoning if it's a bigger chicken. Some crushed chili. And then you mix together. And then you start marinating. You marinate with the mixture. You rub, you make sure you pretty much cover the entirety of your chicken. The legs, the wings, the thighs, the back, every part. And it's advisable that you set the chicken aside for maybe 2-3 hours or possibly overnight to allow, that marinade to get into the chicken and settle properly. It helps improve the overall taste of your chicken. So yeah, cover that properly, and then you set your oven, preheated oven, 250 degrees Celsius. You put in the oven for about 45 minutes. So it's come out of the oven after about 45 minutes, covered with foil paper, as you can see, and then we drain the oil, and then it goes back into the oven without the foil paper for about 15 to 20 minutes. You keep checking until you get that golden brown effect, and then you bring it out just like this. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely yummy. So on this occasion, this grilled whole soft chicken, I served this with fried yam and some lovely fried stew. So look at that. Once you grill this properly, you get that golden brown, and it also makes sure what the idea of letting it go in for the first 40 to 45 minutes is it allows, covered with the foil, like I said, it allows the chicken to get cooked in all areas properly, as you can see from the slices. And then it goes in afterwards and you get that golden brown effect. Look at that. Look at the slices. Look at the heat coming out. Absolutely yummy. Don't you want a slice of this beautiful chicken? Don't you just want a slice? Yeah, of course you do. So there you go. This is served with fried yam, known as dundu in Yoruba language. Okay, and then the fried stew on the side. So there you go. If you haven't, hit on the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like what I'm about. And it's your boy Franklin. Follow me on Instagram at the Nigerian Food Channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.